Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look based on the Sunset Eye, which you can see right now. Please like, comment if you would like to see anything else, and subscribe for more videos. Let's go and have a look how to do this. So first of all, to start this look, I'm going to go with the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. You don't have to use this palette, any orange will do. I just really love this palette at the moment. So I'm just going to use, before I go in with the orange, I'm just going to use this one, Thanks to Latte. All over, I'm just going to dab this in to set the concealer. Okay. Yeah, and then taking the same brush, I'm using Spectrum B06. I'm going to go in with this colour here, it's hashtag. I'm just going to build this colour up. So let me try. Sorry if the quality isn't very good, guys. I'm using my phone towards me rather than using the best camera. I think it's fine. I think you can see enough to be able to copy the look. I am, however, very excited. It's my birthday in 2 weeks and I am getting some new lights, so I'll have some better lighting. Okay, so I'm just blending this in now. There's enough colour on there. Just going to blend it nicely. Okay, and now I'm going to do exactly the same on the other eye. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the same colour with the same brush. I'm just going to go underneath the eye. Okay. It doesn't matter how messy you do this, you can just have fun with it and clean it up afterwards. So there's that, and now I'm going to take, it's not really the brush I'm supposed to use, but I am taking the Spectrum A06 and I'm going to go in with my Violet Voss Rainbow palette, which I've used once just to create this look, and I love this palette. So I'm going to take this Pink Flamingo colour up here. Just tap the brush. I'm just going to try and get it onto the lid here. I want to keep it down, so I don't want it to go right up into the orange. And I'm just going to keep adding to this. I'm just going to build it up. So there you go. And then once we've done that, I'm just going to take the brush that I used for the orange, and I'm going to blend this colour into the crease and into the orange here. Okay, then I'm just going to do the other eye and I'll come back in. Okay guys, so that is the pink done on my eyes, all blended out, and now I'm going to take the pink on the same brush and I'm just going to go under the eye with it. Just very lightly. Okay, and then I'm going to take a small amount of concealer, just because I find the purple that we're going to use next is going to go on a little bit better. And this can be messy, literally sunset crease, it can be however you want it to be, so it doesn't matter if it's messy, it doesn't matter how you apply this really, you don't even have to use concealer. Okay, so that's where I'm applying mine. Just going to dab it with my finger, just pat it on. Then I'm just going to do the same this side. Okay, there we go. And then it really doesn't matter what brush you use again, but I'm just going to use the same palette, so the Violet Voss Rainbow, and I'm going to use Indigo. Obviously, to get the best effect of this, you should be using a flat brush, but I don't want to. I just don't want to be cleaning all my brushes, like I have so many brushes. I don't want to have to keep cleaning all of them. Well, I can still get a good effect using this, so really it's whatever works for you, really. You can even wet your brush if you like, if you want it to be more vibrant and pop a little bit more. Totally up to you. I don't want to do that because obviously with my hair and my skin colour, it just washes me out sometimes, different colours, although making me look ill in the face. Okay, now with this little bit of purple that we have left on here, I'm just going to go under here, but in a random place. I'm not going to do it all the way across. So I'm going to put the purple there. Okay, then you want to just go back in with the pink again, at the sides. Just fix that up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to apply my mascara and some false lashes, and I will come back for the rest of my... Guys, that's my mascara and my lashes both on, so now I'm going to do my full face. First of all, I'm taking some green concealer, and I'm just going to apply this to the spaces, the places, on my face where I get redness or little spots. So green concealer cancels out redness. I'm not going to lie, I get a little bit carried away with this concealer sometimes. But yeah, I'm just going to finish applying this, and then I'm going to do my foundation. I have a new MAC foundation, which I'm a little bit annoyed with myself for, because they obviously come in 3 different types. And I think I have bought the wrong type for my skin tone. Okay. So my foundation ran out. I was so gutted because I love the foundation that I was using. It was W7 HD. So today I'm going to be using Studio Fix by MAC, and I have a brand new Real Technique sponge. A little bit excited. Anyway, I'm going to quickly apply this. Hopefully it is the right colour, because it didn't look too great when I first tried it when I got it. But I'm going to quickly apply this, and then I will come back to do my contour. Okay, so it turned out that this foundation is the right colour for me. I love it, and I'm now going to apply this highlighting set by Kate, and it is Rimmel, and it is in Coral Glow. I'm also using a Spectrum A04 brush. Absolutely love this product. It's great for building it up, it's great for blending. I've recently purchased the Revolution cream contour set, and I'm not too sure about it just now. So I'm really just going to carry on with this product until I learn a couple different techniques with the cream contour. I'm not going to use too much contour on the head. My hair is literally a mess today. Come on. I like to apply a little bit below my lip. So for my lips, I'm going to be using Opulent Revolution lip liner, and then I'm going to take the Stay Matte liquid lip colour in Pink Blossom, I think, Pink Bliss. I really find that this Pink Bliss Rimmel one kind of makes your lips look a lot bigger. And it's not a natural lip plump or anything in it. I just get so, and I don't overline my lips either. So, just go in with this. Such a pretty colour. So that is my makeup done. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you and answer them. Thank you very much for taking the time anyway to watch my video, and please like, comment and subscribe because I would just be so happy. Thank you for watching.